Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. This video is going to show you guys how to file your very own Chapter 7 bankruptcy. I'm going to give you an introduction and then I'm going to leave a link in the description where you can go and get the step-by-step tutorial. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and head over to uscourts.gov. Once you're on this page, you're going to hover over services and forms, and you're going to go down until you see bankruptcy forms and click on bankruptcy forms. Once you're on this page, you can read a little bit about bankruptcy, what it means, the different kinds of bankruptcy, and for this video, we're going to focus on Chapter 7 bankruptcy. So once you get to this page, you can go ahead and click on bankruptcy forms. When you're filing bankruptcy, no matter which chapter you're filing, you have to fill out the voluntary petition. It may be a petition for a business or the voluntary petition for individuals. So for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, you're going to click on B101, Voluntary Petition for Individuals Filing for Bankruptcy. Once you're on this page, you can download the forms that you need here. This is the actual petition. You can fill it in online and then print it out. So to begin, you won't have a case number, so you don't need to enter anything here. If you know what district you'll be filing in, you can put that here. Otherwise, you can wait till you actually get to the district that you're filing and actually just pencil that in. You can write that in. So you will select Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Here you would just enter your full name, and if you're filing with your spouse, if this is a joint case, you will put your spouse information on this side, on the right side. If you're married or any previous names that you've used, you would need to enter those names here. Here you would just put the last four of your social security number. And here, if you have any businesses like an LLC that you need to include in this, any business name that has debt attached to it, you can enter it here. And you would enter the EIN number for that business. So basically, it would be any business in the last 8 years that you've used. Here, it's just your basic information. You would enter your address here. And there are certain restrictions as to where you're able to file. So if you have recently moved and you want to file in that district, you would have to wait until it's been over 180 days before you could file in that district. And always re-enter your name here. If it doesn't automatically populate, make sure that your name, if you know it, your case number, which when you're first filing, you will not have a case number. You will get your case number once you turn your petition in. So you would enter your name here at the top of every form. Sometimes it auto-populates, so. Okay, so you can have your fees waived when you get ready to file your bankruptcy. You can have your fees waived, or you can pay in installments, or you can include the entire fee at that time. So however you're going to do it, you just choose this option here. Have you filed for bankruptcy in the past 8 years? If so, you have to select yes and put the district where you filed and the date. You cannot file Chapter 7 bankruptcy if you have filed in the previous 8 years. You have to wait until it's been 8 years or more. Do you have any pending bankruptcy cases that you're a part of? Even if your spouse filed and put your name on the petition, you have to include that here. If you rent a residence, you have to select yes here. If you're facing eviction, you would need to fill out another form I will talk to you guys about that later, that you would need to attach to this petition. So basically, I'm not going to go through every part because there's a link in the description where you can go watch a step-by-step video where I have lectures. You can watch me fill the petition out step by step and learn everything you need to know about a bankruptcy, all the information you will need to attach. But there's a lot that goes into filing a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, so I would highly suggest you click the link in the description and go and watch the video on how to file your very own Chapter 7 bankruptcy. It's actually a course that I teach on Udemy. You can click the link in the description and go over to Udemy and purchase the course, and you'll learn everything you need to know about filing a Chapter 7 bankruptcy, all the attachments, petitions, the different types, everything you need to know to be able to file your very own Chapter 7 bankruptcy. I hope you guys take advantage of that and click the link in the description, and I will see you guys in the next video.